Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing how to make this mouth-watering vegetable recipe that you will love to try just immediately. So if you are interested, please continue watching. So guys, we are starting off with our protein, and in here we'll have our chicken breast cut up already into bite sizes. Yes, now it's time to season. Go in with some salt, your seasoning, and the next thing to introduce is a teaspoon of garlic powder, followed by a teaspoon of ginger powder. Basically season with your favorite seasonings, okay? Now we are going in with some mixed herbs, a teaspoon of it, a tablespoon of paprika powder, and a teaspoon of pepper flakes. Now go in with your onions, guys, and drizzle a little amount of vegetable oil and mix to well combine, okay? Please feel free to adjust your salt and your seasoning. Everything should be in moderation. Do not over salt, do not over season, okay? And if this is your first time coming across my video, you're welcome to Oma Sport. Here we'll cook, we'll bake, we'll do everything edible basically. So if you are interested, go ahead and hit the subscription button and be part of this amazing family, okay? Also, remember to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Thank you. All right, guys, at this point, we're done mixing. As you can see, they are looking good. And we're going to allow it to marinate for an hour, or you can do more than an hour, okay? All right, guys, moving on to the next step. Get to your pan. Spread out your baking sheet or your foil paper, just like me. Now, transfer your marinated chicken on it and spread it out. Arrange it this way. All right, done. So, guys, it is time to introduce our veggies. Make sure you prep them before now, okay? Now, this is our celery. It's chopped already, so go on and add it. Next is our red bell pepper. All chopped, okay? You need to chop them before now, okay? Now is the green bell peppers. Next up is the yellow bell peppers, guys. Looking colorful and nice. So guys, the next thing is our carrots. Go in with your chopped carrots and arrange it very well, okay? Just like you're watching me do. Next is our sweet potatoes, guys. See the colors, beautiful. These are all vegetables. Yes, it is very healthy. Please do not sleep on this one, and it tastes super good. So you keep watching to see how everything turns out. Now season with some salt and some black pepper, especially the veggies and the potatoes, okay? Especially the vegetables, yes, because the potato is also a vegetable. All right, go in with some chopped onions. Guys, be generous with onions. Onions takes your meal to the next level, honestly. Now splash in some olive or vegetable oil. Yes, it's about to go down. Yes. So once you're done, guys, pop it into the oven and grill for 15 to 20 minutes, okay? All right. And there you have it, guys. A delicious, tasty one-pan vegetable recipe is set, guys. Look at how it's looking. Now go on and use your spatula or your spoon to combine them. Yes, combine them very well, okay? The juice, everything. You need to take your time, okay? If you notice, I didn't fast forward it so as to tell you that you need to mix and mix and mix until they are well combined, okay? This is looking good, guys. Just under 5 minutes, you go to getting this delicious meal set ready on your dining table, guys. Please give it a go. Also, remember to share to your friends, families, and loved ones for them to try it out also, okay? And how can I forget the kings and the queens of this amazing family? My newest and returning subscribers. Guys, your girl is very grateful. Thank you for all your love, your support. I am indeed very grateful. Please keep it up, okay? Thank you. So guys, if you notice, you see that we are plating our dish already. So guys, plate with me. I'm sure you're salivating. Yes, I know. It is looking good, honestly, and it's so easy to make. With few ingredients, you're good to getting a one-pan dish that is super healthy and delicious. All right, guys, and we've come to the end of today's cooking. If you found it interesting, please like, subscribe, follow for more tasty recipes, okay? Also, remember to leave me your valuable feedback. Until next time, keep cooking, keep smiling. Bye.